What's the meaning of cross-curricular? Cross-curricular. Cross-curricular.
Cross-curricular. Cross-curricular. Cross-curricular refers to the integration of different subject areas within a single lesson or project. This approach encourages students to make connections between various subjects, rather than viewing them as isolated and unrelated. By incorporating multiple subjects into a single curriculum, students can develop a deeper understanding of concepts and improve critical thinking skills. They can also gain insight into how different disciplines relate to one another, as well as use knowledge from one subject area to solve problems in another. Ultimately, cross-curricular learning promotes a more holistic approach to education that prepares students for real-world challenges.